Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious machines ever built on wheels. The 2026 Scania S1 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck. It's a high-end moving mansion that redefines luxury travel. At first glance, the S1 stuns with its bold presence, a massive body sitting on a 6-axle platform, wrapped in sleek black and gold. The LED matrix headlights, chrome grille, and aerodynamic side panels all scream modern elegance. But the real magic happens once you step inside. The interior? It's like walking into a 5-star hotel suite. Italian leather seats, a full-length sofa lounge, ambient ceiling lights, and ultra-wide smart windows with auto-tinting. Everything is voice-controlled, from lighting to temperature, even the blinds. The kitchen area is fully equipped. Induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. There's a marble-finished dining bar that folds out, perfect for luxury on the move. Now, let's talk about the space that shocked us the most, the bathroom. Yes, this beast includes a full-size bath area with a rainfall shower, touch-activated, mirror, heated floors, and even gold-trimmed fixtures. You don't expect to find a spa experience inside a truck, but here it is. The bedroom slides out automatically to expand space, offering a king-size memory foam bed, 4K entertainment system, and mood lighting. There's even a walk-in wardrobe built into the rear wall. No detail is missed. Underneath all this luxury, the S1 is still a Scania at heart, powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, giving it surprising range and quiet performance. It handles like a dream thanks to adaptive air, suspension, and precision steering tech. Whether you're heading across the country or living off-grid in style, the 2026 Scania S1 Motorhome delivers everything: luxury, power, and unmatched innovation. This is not just the future of motorhomes, it's the future of luxury travel itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Only on Engine Explorer.